Hey guys! There's this channel called Blizzard. I've watched him for a while now. He's at 33 subscribers, guys. That's honestly really good. Can we make that 40, please? He spends a lot of time into his videos. Well, he's only uploaded 2, but still, they're really good. He made a Roblox vid for any Roblox users out there. Oh! Hi. Sub to Blizzard because he's cool. No, seriously, do it. I'm watching you, man. Okay, guys, but seriously, subscribe to Blizzard, please. He's at 35 subscribers. I really want to make that 40. He spends a lot of time into his he spent a lot of time in his videos, and they're really good. So, subscribe, like all of Blizzard's videos, subscribe to him. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.